Explore 2, Crystallization of Igneous Rocks. This demonstration is for you guys to use to gain a concept of what happened when this lab is conducted. As I mentioned in class, I usually do this as a demonstration just because of the time. So we're using what's called a chemical phenyl salicylate. And as you can tell, as I shake this, it is a solid. So we take this and we put it into a beaker. I have a hot plate with about 70 degrees Celsius, 60 degree Fahrenheit temperature on a hot plate. And what I'm doing is I am making it into a liquid. So the heat from the water is allowing the phenyl salicylate to melt, the crystals that make it up, to make it melt. And so remember, there are 3 different cooling methods that we are experimenting with. We have ice that we place in a petri dish. We have hot water, set a slide over hot water, and then just simply room temperature. We take, these are microscope slides, and we just set it down on the paper plate, of the paper towels on the tray. Okay, so what I've done then is I've made this liquid, and the first thing that I'm going to model is room temperature. So all I would do is go around the classroom if time warranted, and I'm just going to put a drop on the slide. And then same thing for the hot water. I put a drop. And then I'm going to move this over here and place this over my hot water, like that. And then again, if I had ice, again, we're using our imagination, I would do the same thing. I would take a slide and I would place that in the petri dish on the ice cubes. This is the result. This is ice. This was over hot water. This is hot water. Ice, hot water, room temperature. There they are. Again, this is Explore 2, Crystallization and Igneous Rocks.